Today I want to walk you through a fault finding exercise I did on my camper. I'm making this video because I couldn't find enough information online on how this specific aircon works or how to troubleshoot it. It's a bit different from my usual content, but I'm hopeful somebody out there finds this useful. As you can see, I have a solid red light on this aircon. I've tried the reset button. I can't find any information about it, well, not too much anyway. And there are no fault codes, so let's see how we go. First of all, I removed the filter covers, and that will expose 6 screws that you can take out, which will release the inside cover of this unit. Next, I will remove this communication cable / plug that connects the cover to the main electronics. Behind that black dome that's on the inside cover, there is a circuit board that holds the LEDs, the reset button, and obviously the receiver. So we just have to give that a good look over. The next step is to isolate the main power and then disconnect the incoming power to the unit. I left the connectors on the supply end. Now we can carefully remove this cartridge that holds the electronics. And I'm just doing this in steps so that you can see how it comes out and to show you what it looks like. Then we are going to get the covers off and have a bit of a look at it. With the covers off, we can have a look at the electronics and give it a visual inspection. Hopefully we can see something wrong. In this part of the video, I am just going to have a bit of a play with the reset button. I've done all this before I've taken this apart, but now I'm just showing you guys what I've done previously and to see if we can see anything or hear anything while we have everything open and we can play with the reset button. The little bit of information that I could find on this unit to help us with a bit of fault finding is that they tell you to make sure that your remote is paired with the unit. But as you can see in my efforts, while pushing the buttons, you can see that the infrared receiver acknowledges that it is receiving the signal. So everything is fine there. For the next couple of minutes, I am going to have a play with this reset button some more, just to give you guys a bit of a show as to what I've done previously. Like I said before, I've tried different ways of pushing the reset button in the hope that there might be some way to reset this problem that I'm having. Now, at this point here, I got really excited. I thought by just playing around with this reset button, I might have gotten through to this thing. And it started listening, and I found a way to get to the problem. But it didn't work. So my next move is to stick to what I know. Looking at the wiring diagram, more like a connection diagram, I can see that there are a few things that I can actually test. I decided to start with the temperature sensors because it is easy to do, and I've had an issue with temperature sensors before in my house with a split system. I tested the air in sensor first, and the reading was only 735 ohms. In my experience, these should be in the kilo ohm range. To check, I test the others. Eyes in was 17.5 kilo ohms and eyes out was 16.3 kilo ohms. That confirmed to me that the air in sensor was the culprit. By the time I cut it out, the value had dropped even further to around 500 ohms. I managed to source a new thermistor and used connectors to join the wires to the plug. My confidence was quickly dampened as it was clear that there were another issue. It turns out I was the gremlin this whole time. I'd actually caused a few problems myself while I was working on this unit. Once I found and fixed those extra little demons, I was back in business. In this part of the video, I will be testing the operation following the repairs that was needed. Let's see if we can finally get this aircon working again. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel.